Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 SW in the GT line specification. It comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof, you get 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera and full LED headlights. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 150 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done less than 3,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.